Hello, my name is Steve, and in this video I would like to share with you how to make a Spotify playlist, so let's get started. First, you have to open your Spotify application. After that, look for the bottom right corner and select your library. On this page, tap on the Create Playlist. When you are creating a Spotify playlist, first of all, you need to provide a name for your playlist. When you finish typing, tap on the Create button. Now we have created a Spotify playlist, so let's start to add songs into it. After you tap on Add Songs, Spotify will come up with a few suggestions based on your previous listenings what you would like to add to your Spotify playlist. If you found any song which is interesting for you, you just need to tap on the plus icon. As you can see, if you tap on the plus icon, it will be added immediately to your Spotify playlist. If you don't find here the song what you would like to add, then you need to tap into the search field and type the name of the song what you are looking for. After you found the song, you just need to tap once again the plus icon. When you finished adding songs to your new playlist, tap on the Close button. And that's the way if you would like to create a Spotify playlist.